you can just tap it, khalas, and let's end it. Alright?
Omar, I can tell you something, believe it or not. It's like the elections here tonight. We've just topped 300,000 so far.
MashaAllah.
Right? Alhamdulillah. And we are still counting, so inshallah, I'm hoping that next few minutes somebody will give me a figure. But Bolton, Jazakallah khair, I think we should deserve a big takbir! Allah! Alhamdulillah. Right, Maher, for the last track.
Yes.
Last song. Last song.
Oh, this is intense.
Forgive me.
Alright, wait, guys.
Forgive me.
I can't hear everybody all at the same time. So what I want you to do is,
Omar, shall we? Shh. Let's start off here.
alright, I think what we want to do is, this was a blessed night. And we feeling really blessed. And I think Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to give every one of us a lot of barakah. Say ameen. And the barakah which will lead us into this last song by Maher Zain in the biggest city in Europe called Bolton. Can we hear barakallah?
Yeah, barakallah. See, that's what I want you to be. Barakallah.
Alright, Zubarakallahu lakuma. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma fi khair. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma fi khair. We're here on this special day, our hearts are full of pleasure, a day that brings me and you close together. We're gathered here to celebrate a moment we'll always treasure. We ask Allah to make our love last forever. Let's raise our hands and make dua like the Prophet taught us, and with one voice let's all say barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma fi khair. From now you share all your joys to hardships, support each other, together worshiping Allah. We pray that He would fill your life with happiness and blessings, and that you get to make your homes filled with laughter. Let's raise our hands and make dua like the Prophet taught us, and with one voice let's all say barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma. Barakallah. 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 Barakallahu lakum wa lana. Barakallahu lakum wa lana. بارك لهما أدم حبهما صل وسلم على رسول الله. الله تب علينا، الله يرضى عنا، الله يهدي خطانا على سنة نبينا. Let's raise our hands and make dua like the Prophet taught us, and with one voice let's all say barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma. خير. MashaAllah, thank you so much.
Brothers and sisters, Maher Zain.
Jazakumullah khair. Salam alaikum. Do I go from here?
It's better if you go from here upstairs.
Okay.
Now,
thank you so much. Jazakumullah khair. Okay.
Maher Zain once again.
Please give a nice raw engine for the Maher Zain. And alhamdulillah, you know what we want to do? We want to make sure that we thank.
Now, before we thank, hold on. Before we thank anybody,
we're not going to thank them.
Those people that had the VIP ticket, I know that we had a few problems seating. So can I ask you, if you have the black ticket, that before you leave, you go